lot of our buildings are built in the realm, obviously, of healthcare. There's certain areas of that hospital that need to be protected in different ways. So there's at least 4 or 5 times on each of the jobs I've been on, I've had to call some specialists over at Tremco and say, hey, I need a UL rating for this, but we still have to integrate it with the 430 system. And again, within a day or so, I've got an answer on whatever we need.
The technical aspects, if I ever had a problem, just make a phone call. We had reps on site. They were great to work with.
We have a good relationship with Tremco. Being able to get the material when we need it was a huge advantage to us as well.
For DANIS, the nice thing is that they like involvement from the technical team. One of the nice things that they do is they host refresher trainings for their installing crews. They like that support. They like to show that quality of workmanship. So it works well with USG Tremco because we can provide that technical support to them, provide those resources for refresher trainings as well as observations on site, and then answer any sort of questions around compatibility, adhesion that might come up and are very common in the enclosure of a building.